In this video, we will show you how to replace your front fender liner on this Honda Accord. This will be located inside of your front wheel well. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Carefully raise and support the front of the vehicle so we can remove the wheel. To remove the wheel, you'll find that you have 5 19mm lug nuts. Once you have the wheel out of the way, let's have a look underneath the corner of the front bumper cover. You'll find that you have a push clip, and you should also have a bolt right in this area. Ours is broken. Remove each of those. To remove the clip, you carefully make your way along the center here, pop that down, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. Remove the bolt. This should be able to move around, and now we can make our way up inside the wheel well. Up inside the wheel well, we'll be looking for a push clip right across here. You know how to do it. Remove the center, then remove the outer portion as well. We've got some movement from here. Let's use a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove this mounting screw. Let's continue making our way up towards the center here. There's one on the outer center, but we'll leave this in here. Save it for last. Continue making our way towards the rear. Let's continue making our way around. Now we can move along with our Phillips head screwdriver. You'll find that you have 4 mounting screws along the back side here. At this point, we can move this around quite a bit. We do still have one push clip that we have to remove. Let's take hold of this and pull it out of the wheel well. There it is, friend. Okay friend, let's get ready for our installation. Take that fender liner and bring it into the wheel well. We'll start aligning each one of those push pin holes, and we can start them in. Tuck this in here. Continue making our way rearward. Start putting in our Phillips head screws. Just double check, make sure this is secure, make our way back towards the front. Let's tuck this in there, make our way underneath. Under this corner, you should have a mounting bolt and a push clip. Get this in here. Double check to make sure this is secured along the bottom, and then we'll continue on by reinstalling our wheel. Now we can put this screw up in this corner right here. We'll start it in and snug it up. We'll get the wheel on here, start on all 5 of our 19mm lug nuts, bottom them out, get the wheel safely back on the ground, then we can torque each of these to 80 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.